Hello and welcome to another video. Today's video we are going to be creating the lovely LEGO Poinsettia. It is 608 pieces. It is a plant that you cannot kill, and at the end, hopefully, it looks really good. Alright, so as you can see, I am starting here by doing the one thing I always do, is I organize my pieces so that way when I get to the point where I need them in the instructions, it makes it way easier in finding pieces rather than digging through a bin. Now I know it does take some time at the start, but I think in the long run it will make you build faster and be more organized while building. And this is what bag 1 gives you. The start of the pot. Alright, and this is what it looks like after bag number 2. Making some good progress. We've got our pot. Looks like we're starting on the flowers next. There we go. We are done with bag 3, and this is where we are at. We've got 2 flowers and the leaves. I'm pretty sure when you're lining these up, you want to make sure you line up the pieces so all the holes can be put through. You can put something through it, so I guess I forgot to do that this time. And if I don't, well then it's just maybe a little OCD. But I feel like that's a smart thing to do, is to preemptively have the hole so you can pass things through them. See? All right, and this is where we are at the end of bag 4 and 5. We've got one bag left. This is really coming together here. We've got our 4 flowers right now. The only one left is the one right on top. And with that, we have completed our lovely poinsettia. It looks very good. I do enjoy it. And now you have a flower that you cannot kill. Nice.